As China's Consumer Products Expo was held in Hainan, many companies from South Korea and Japan are keen on displaying their quality products and expecting to further tap into the Chinese market through the event. With an exhibition area 20% larger than the previous edition, the expo showcases over 3,300 brands from 65 countries and regions, including 98 brands from South Korea and 38 Japanese companies. Many South Korean and Japanese companies have high hopes for the expo as they see it as a gateway to the vast Chinese market.
这是我们连续第3次来参加消博会。前面2次消博会，我们的产品都深受中国消费者的喜欢，所以这一次呢，我们带来了5款产品。我们这一届的消博会日均营业额在1万元左右。参加这一次的消博会呢，我们主要是想我们的产品能够在中国的消费者里得到更加的认知，让大家都来体验我们的产品。
我们在去年的海南消博会上已经跟中国王府井集团还有机场免税店已经签好合同并已入驻，然后我们希望这一届消博会再与中缅、海缅达成新的合作。